Yes, you're welcome back to Encryptos. In this video, you'll be learning how to map or mark impulsive move. This time around, the seller's impulse. Okay, so we have the sellers, we have market going down, so we're going to mark the impulsive move, and you will see how to mark it. So we'll start from the left. So you can see the price is coming down, so we'll start from here, from the top. So we go, you can see this candle made an impulsive move down. The next candle broke the low, so we'll continue on that low until we have a valid pullback on the next candle. So since we have a valid pullback here, so we're going to mark this point and then mark the valid pullback. Correct. Then we continue down. So you can see this is the last low, so we look at this candle broke the low, so we follow it down and check the next candle. Do we have a valid pullback? No. So we'll go to the next candle. Do we have a valid pullback? No. Now this is the candle we are considering, so until we have a pullback below that candle, so meaning we'll go to this candle that broke the low, so the attention has shifted to this candle. So the next candle, do we have a valid pullback? Yes. So we're going to mark this candle, the low, and then we'll mark this valid pullback. Then we continue, so we come back to this low and see which candle break it. So this candle broke the low. Then we check the next candle. The attention moves to this next candle because it also broke this low, so to this low. Then the next candle has a valid pullback, so we're going to mark here and then mark the pullback, and that is it. So now this move now is our impulsive move, so we're going to mark it. So this is the impulsive move to the downside, so you can see the path there. So this is how to mark impulsive move accurately. So you can label this. Yes, so this is our impulsive move. So we're going to see exactly how to mark this impulsive move on the real chart. Okay, so here we have a real chart, so we're going to mark the impulsive move to the downside. You can see the sellers are in control, so marking the impulsive move will help us to know where is best to enter and make a profitable trade or increase our chance of success. Okay, so we're starting from the top right here. You can see, so basically what we are doing, we're marking the pullbacks, the valid pullbacks. So you can see the impulse continuing down to the next candle, and then we have a valid pullback right here. Then the impulse continued down until we had this green candle which formed a valid pullback. So we are marking the extreme of the pullback, then we continue down. So we're going to ignore all of this move. Why? Because this is the lowest point right now, so we're going to continue from the candle that broke the lowest of this point. So all of this now will be inside bar candles because the low is where we continue from. So which candle broke this low? This candle. So this is the next candle that our attention will be on. Okay, so we'll continue on this candle. I'll be looking for the next valid pullback. So this is inside bar candle, no valid pullback. Now if you look at these two candles, we have equal low. Okay, so whenever we have equal low, the attention is going to shift to the farthest candle, that is the candle on the right. So since this candle's low and this low are the same, so we're going to move to this candle and continue with this candle. So now do we have a valid pullback after this candle? Yes. So meaning we'll mark this point and then mark the valid pullback, and then continue with the candle that broke this low, which is this one right here. So this candle now, we check the next candle, there's no valid pullback. Check the next candle, no valid pullback. Check the next. Now after this candle we have another candle which is inside bar, but the next candle is a valid pullback to this candle. This candle is where our attention is right now. Then we have a valid pullback, so we'll mark it. Then our attention goes to the next candle that broke this low. Okay, so this candle broke this low, so this is where our attention is right now. So after this candle, do we have a valid pullback? Yes. So we'll mark this point and then we'll mark the valid pullback. Okay, then we continue like that. So as you can see right now, this is our impulsive move to the downside. So let me mark it there. So this move right here, all of this move, this is our impulsive move. That's what we call impulsive move. Okay, so this is how to mark impulsive move to the downside. If it is a buyer's impulse to the same thing, you're basically marking the valid pullbacks. Okay, so feel free to ask your questions, like, comment, join the class on Telegram. See you in the next video.